Mind management presence. Bad habits that make people dislike you immediately. In our quest for likability, we may inadvertently indulge in bad habits that turn people off. These habits are not always easy to spot, but they can be easy to recognize in others. Developing self-awareness is crucial, as it helps us better understand how we interact with others and how our actions and words may be perceived. Here are 10 bad habits that can damage your likability and relationships with others. Number 1 equals. Making assumptions is a terrible habit that can lead to misunderstandings, false accusations, and judgments. It makes you appear arrogant and dismissive of other people's opinions. Instead, try to be more curious by asking questions, listening, analyzing facts and information, and being open to other perspectives. Number 2 equals. Monopolizing the conversation can be frustrating for people who feel ignored or left out. Be mindful of your talking style and let others speak as well. Show interest in what they have to say. Number 3 equals. Bragging or complaining too much is off-putting. Bragging can make you seem uninterested in improving yourself, while complaining can make people uncomfortable. Also, avoid gossiping or spreading rumors about others to make yourself look better. Number 4 equals. Acting like a know-it-all is a bad habit that can come across as arrogance rather than confidence. While it's good to be confident in who you are and what you have to say, always trying to prove yourself to others can make them feel less valuable. Number 5 equals. Getting way too drunk in social situations can be inappropriate and make people feel unsafe around you. It's better to stick to 1 drink per hour and have a glass of water nearby. Number 6 equals. Being polite to some people and not to others can be a sign of disrespect and a lack of care for other people's feelings. It's essential to treat everyone with equal respect and be consistent with your manners. Number 7 equals. Telling inappropriate stories, jokes, or anecdotes can create an uncomfortable or hostile atmosphere. It's best to avoid saying things that might offend or hurt other people's feelings. Number 8 equals. Being unreliable and not keeping your promises can lead people to lose trust in you. It's important to do what you say you'll do and keep your commitments. Number 9 equals. Not taking responsibility for your mistakes can be frustrating for others. It's better to acknowledge your mistakes and take ownership of them. Number 10 equals. Constantly checking your phone or being distracted during conversations can make people feel unimportant and undervalued. Be present in the moment and give others your undivided attention. In conclusion, developing self-awareness and being mindful of our habits can help us become more likable and improve our relationships with others. By avoiding these bad habits, we can create better connections and enhance our personal and professional lives. So, if you want to be more likable, pay closer attention to how you act and communicate with others. You should snuff out these bad habits that might be rubbing people the wrong way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.